guys, welcome to my channel. This is Minnie here, and today I thought of taking a break from my regular fashion videos which I have been shooting from quite some time, and I thought to film my morning routine vlog. This is basically my 7 to 10 or 11 a.m. routine, and I thought that I'll share it with you because there are certain efforts that I have been taking consciously from the past 1 year, or now you can say it's been more than 1 year. I actually kind of very consciously take certain steps in the morning that actually help me stay energetic and productive throughout the day. So right now it's 10 o'clock and I'm little late for my usual breakfast. I'm having my breakfast right now, and अभी इस वीडियो को थोड़ा सा रिवाइंड कर देते हैं, थोड़ा सा टाइम को पीछे लेके चलते हैं, और मैं आपको लेके चलती हूँ उस टाइम पे जिस समय मैं आज सुबह उठी, एंड लेट मी टेक यू थ्रू एवरीथिंग दैट आई डिड अंटिल नाउ. So yes, I really hope that you guys enjoy watching this video. You know the drill. Please अगर ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे, if you enjoy watching this video, you know what to do. Please like it, please share it, and अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, then please go ahead, hit that red subscribe button now, and thank you so much. Let's start with the video. I like to wake up with the morning light peeping into my room, and that is the reason I deliberately don't draw the curtains the night before sleeping, so that it just gets peeped into my room and it's like a natural wake up signal to me. I instantly feel fresh and not tired about waking up, and the moment I put my feet on the floor, I say the words thank you. This now comes very naturally to me because I've been doing this for the past 2-3 years. I just thank the universe for a new day, and next I make my bed. I think it's very spiritual to make your bed in the morning, and I think it gives you a sense of accomplishment that you've done and completed the first task of the day. And yes, I was making just my side of the bed because my husband was still sleeping. He usually wakes up half an hour after I do, and then I straight away head to the kitchen to heat some water in a pan, and I drink a glass of lukewarm water in the morning. I also squeeze a few drops of lemon in it because that instantly provides vitamin C to me, and I think drinking glass of water in the morning just hydrates your body right in the morning and also is a great way to detoxify. Then I head out to pick up the items which Big Basket has delivered. We usually order one night before whatever we require, and I sanitize it, and then I go to my bathroom to do the morning business, and I also change into my workout clothes. Now before starting my workout, I take a boil in the milk, and I also make tea for my parents. Usually या तो मेरे पापा या फिर my husband makes tea, लेकिन मैंने recently start किया चाय बनाना. I know it's so weird, मुझे चाय ढंग से बनाना आता ही नहीं था, but now I have been making it ताकि I keep getting better and better at it. You know, practice makes you better. Now we usually soak 5 almonds and 2 walnuts each for me and my husband the night before sleeping. So I eat that before my morning workout, and I also have 1 banana. Hey guys, I've changed into my workout clothes, had my little snack, just banana and a few almonds and walnut, and now it's time to do workout. I was planning to go down in my society to do the workout for today, but I think it rained last night, so it's too wet right now from what I can see down. तो आज मैं घर पे ही workout करने वाली हूँ. I have not planned yet what I want to do, but I think I just want to do a little bit of yoga, some Surya Namaskar, and I think a few ab exercises, and if possible I will do a little bit of cardio. So yes, that's going to be my workout for today. I usually work out for like half an hour, and yeah, also depends on how much time I have. Like अगर बहुत जल्दी है, if I have a busy schedule ahead, तो फिर मैं थोड़ा सा I reduce it to 20 minutes, but at least मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि 30 minutes तो मैं ज़रूर वर्कआउट करूँ. तो उस अकॉर्डिंग मैं या तो जल्दी उठ जाती हूँ. So I plan everything accordingly. So let's get to the workout. So I start my workout with warming up my body at least for 5 minutes, and then I practice Surya Namaskar every day. I also do a bit of few asanas each day. जब मैं स्कूल में थी, I think I was in my 5th or 6th grade and I had taken yoga as an extra curricular activity जो हमें लेनी पड़ती है स्कूल में, and I think back then I didn't realize the importance of yoga. लेकिन अब मुझे पता चलता है कि योगा करना कितना अच्छा होता है आपकी बॉडी के लिए. So yes, I do Surya Namaskar each day along with a few asanas, and I keep changing the other एक्सरसाइजेज दैट आई डू ताकि ज़्यादा मंडेन और मोनोटनस नहीं हो जाए मेरा रूटीन. तो इसलिए मैं कभी या तो कार्डियो कर लेती हूँ, या कभी मैं स्क्वाट्स कर लेती हूँ, कभी एब एक्सरसाइजेज कर लेती हूँ, या यू नो आई जस्ट डांस. जिस दिन मेरा वर्कआउट करने का मन नहीं होता तो मैं सिर्फ डांस कर लेती हूँ. एंड एट दिस पॉइंट व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग द एब एक्सरसाइजेज आई सॉ द वीडियो एंड आई रियलाइज मेरे नीज बेंड हो रहे थे, विच इज़ नॉट the right method. So yes, please excuse. I think technique से ज़्यादा important होता है consistency. You need to be consistent in your workout so that you feel good every day. More than I think it's not about losing weight. I think more than that it's all about, you know, feeling good from within, and you know, just doing some physical activity. It's important to do, I think, some physical activity every day. So I'm finally done with my workout, guys. It was a 40 minutes workout and I'm feeling so light. I look like so horrible right now. I know, एकदम से बाल वगैरह सब कुछ पूरे स्वेट में हो रखे हैं. बट एनीवे, अभी मैं डायरेक्टली आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू हिट द शावर बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा स्वेट आ गया है. सो यू नो चांसेस है कि अगर मैं डायरेक्टली शावर लेने चली जाऊँगी तो आई विल फॉल इल बिकॉज वो सर्द गर्म वाली चीज़ हो जाती है. But right now I will just sit down and meditate for 10 minutes. I really like to meditate in the morning and especially after my workout ताकि पूरा जो भी sweat है वो dry हो जाए. And also, you know, it's really important to just let the cool breeze sink in you and have little clarity of the thoughts, and just evaluate, and I think just imagine what you want to do in life, and I think just dream, and I think it really makes you feel so amazing right in the morning if done in the morning. And yes, तो अभी मैं अपना meditation करने वाली हूँ for 10 minutes. So So next it was time for me to wake my husband up. He was awake till late the previous night because he was watching a web series, so he had asked me to not wake him up early. इसलिए he woke up a little late than his usual time, and after he's up I usually do the cleaning of the house, like a little bit of dusting. We both basically divide the work and we try to do it before taking the shower. Nowadays I've started calling my house help, so thankfully I only do the dusting these days. Once I'm done with the dusting, my father or my husband make लौकी का juice, and I have been drinking this from now over a month. या तो कभी beetroot juice या कभी लौकी का juice. I usually didn't like the taste of it, पर अब पीते पीते मुझे इसकी आदत हो गई है, and this is mostly my post workout drink, and I love to have it in the morning before my breakfast. Now it's usually time for me to take the shower, and before I take the shower I've actually learned this from my mom to actually make it a practice to detangle the hair and comb them before taking the shower itself. तो usually मैं balcony में जाके ही करती हूँ ये सब ताकि मेरे बाल बिल्कुल भी घर में नहीं गिरे, and I just throw them outside. So that day I also thought to indulge in some skin care, और मैं बिल्कुल घरेलू नुस्खे ही अपनाती हूँ अपनी स्किन और हेयर के लिए. मोस्टली आई एम नॉट दैट मच इनटू केमिकल्स. तो उस दिन मैंने 2 स्लाइस टमाटर की जो है सैलड में से एक्स्ट्रा कट करके रख ली थी अपने फेस पे लगाने के लिए, एंड बेसिकली आई जस्ट मेक अ बन एंड फर्स्ट वॉश माई फेस. सो आई हैव बीन यूजिंग द हिमालय का प्योर नीम फेस वॉश दीज डेज़, एंड उसको मैं अपने फेस पे जेंटली रब करके अपने फेस को वॉश कर लेती हूँ, and I pat it dry. Rub the tomato on my skin in circular motions. It has lot of good benefits, so you can check the description box for that, and also know your skin type, guys. Maybe आपकी skin पे ये allergic हो, इसलिए please know whether it will suit you or not before getting influenced and trying your hands on it. And while it gets dried, 10 मिनट मैं इसको अपने चेहरे पे रहने देती हूँ. तो at the same time I do the preparations for the breakfast and also lunch in case Palash has to leave for work, but that day it was his work from home and so was mine, so मैं सिर्फ breakfast की तैयारी कर रही थी. And once that is done, once my face is dried, I hit the shower. But yeah, before that I just take out my clothes and then I hit the shower. And usually मेरी ऐसी practice रहती है कि once I'm out of the shower and once I'm ready, I do the morning prayers. I'm a bit religious as well, so I feel that मेरी actually ये belief है कि अगर सुबह सुबह भगवान का नाम ले लेते हैं and if you enchant morning prayers, it just brings a lot of positivity, it calms your mind और दिन अच्छा जाता है. And my mom also plays some bhajans and prayers in the background on the TV in the morning, तो I think घर में बहुत positive vibes आती हैं उससे. So next I make the breakfast for everybody. This day I was making सूजी toast for everyone. मेरा एक वीडियो भी आने वाला है guys on what I had for breakfast the previous week. So yes, please wait for that. I'm shooting it every day. और breakfast के साथ में I usually have apple or any one fruit. And after I'm done with my breakfast, I open my laptop and I check my emails. इस समय पे अगर कोई important mail है जिसका मुझे reply करना है या कुछ important office का काम है, तो I do that in the morning. And at the same time I have been reading the book The Magic these days. This is the 5th time I'm reading it, so yeah, I'm a strong believer of law of attraction and it is also my favorite book. तो जिस दिन की जो exercise होती है मैं वो हमेशा सुबह ही कर लेती हूँ. I also list down 10 blessings in my gratitude journal. So yes, you should definitely read the book The Magic in case you haven't already. And at this time I also plan my videos. मुझे कौन से वीडियो पे काम करना है, if I have to edit a video, ये सब मैं सुबह ही कर लेती हूँ. So this is basically what my morning routine is like. So thank you so much for watching guys. Usually मैं 12 बजे तक अपना ये सारा ऑफिस का काम या फिर कुछ वीडियोस का काम करने के बाद में खाना बनाने की तैयारी करती हूँ. I prepare the lunch and this is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Lots of love. Bye.